Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Eddie's Vlogs. Today is Saturday. Today is another car vlog. Today we might go to the gym, but other than that, we are going to go to the car vlogs, and so y'all see a little bit about that. But other than that, guys, if I am going to go to the gym today, I am going to hit most likely abs, because tomorrow is game day, so I don't want to be like making any of my muscles sore. I don't want any of that. I just want to be relaxed tomorrow. I just want to make sure I'm all good, nothing's sore, nothing's bad. I just want to make sure I'm good. But other than that, guys, y'all see me at the car vlog, or at the car meet. We at Six Flags. We're my boy from the club. What's up? Say what's up. Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna go to a car meet. We did go to a car meet, and we did our thing right there, and we're now at Six Flags. I didn't plan on doing this, but shit, I guess we are. All right, guys. So we're debating which ride to ride first. Which ride are we riding first? Riddler.
Riddler. Yeah. Oh my God.
Damn, that line looks. Damn.
Yeah, but they do like 40 at a time, 50 at a time.
On the cool, so yeah. Alright, guys, so
Every
going.
line we go to is gonna be long, bro.
Yeah, the entrance was hectic.
You wanna do the cat one?
Huh? I've never been on that one.
You have?
No? He's talking about that one. Alright, guys. First ride was a success. It was a little. I've never ridden it, but we about to ride the Ridley. Let's get it. So these fucking lines are horrible. I've been standing here for like 45 minutes. Barely moved. So damn, my phone's low battery, but yeah, if you go to Six Flags, definitely spend or invest in the flash pass, because you do not be waiting in these lines. Fuck these lines. because the lines were long. It was pretty hot. It's around 90 something degrees right now, and yeah, we're about to go to Jack in the Box before we go to another meet, so it should be fun. All right guys, so we out here. So we just got done with Six Flags, right? And we're out here vlogging, yes sir. But yeah, man, we're out here at this place in Arlington. I forgot what it's called. It's called Eco something or 360 Smart Relief.com. But yeah, it's a real cool car meet right here. Got the whole lot of cars. There's a Lambo right here. It's chilling. I'll show you a little bit. Alright guys, we just got done with the little car meet. So I'm basically done with the day. I'm about to go home, edit the video. So guys, if you haven't already, please go subscribe to my channel, and it will be up here. And if you haven't already, please go watch my last YouTube video, which will probably be down here, and all my social media will be down below. Alright guys.